Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, we did make a little bit of a push down right here, but there's definitely no proof whatsoever this uptrend is over. To me, it definitely looks like we're in a wave 3 right now. Eventually, we're gonna have to start a pretty decent pullback for a wave 4, which will in time will probably last about the same time as this wave 2 lasts. Now, if we really are in a wave four, it potentially could go down and make a very overlapping pattern, which would likely last several trading days before it actually goes back up again to make like a wave five. But there's really not even any proof that the wave three is over. That's the problem. That this counter trend thinking is what gets a lot of people in trouble because there's really nothing stopping this from being a three-way pullback within an uptrend. So definitely still looking for logs going down to the 1 hour time frame, and I could for sure picture this being an A. I for sure could picture this being a wave B. I could definitely see it bouncing off a fib level and starting a push down for a wave C. But like I said, this counter trend thinking really is what gets a lot of people in trouble, including myself sometimes, because this definitely could just be a three-way pullback within a uptrend. So definitely be careful with that counter trend thinking, especially on something like gold, which is an uptrend on every single time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.